teachers.
Yeah, that is all right.
Practical training for teachers
That's very important.
is very important.
Okay, so now we are addressing the quality aspect of the education, right? Because this is, we know that good teachers will bring the quality up.
Yes.
But we also now have to have a formal quality check,
Monitoring.
monitoring, yeah? So what is that? So I don't want to put down the existing one, but how do we make additional or independent accreditation that helps the quality? See, accreditation is not to kill someone, to make suggestions, constructive suggestions to improve the, whatever that they are doing. When a team visits, they say you do not have so-and-so laboratory, or you don't have equipment up to date. Or they might say your curriculum missing so-and-so, like social studies. You may not have enough content in engineering that has to do with how a,
Social science part.
yeah, right, okay? I'm just saying it, but there are elements that may be missing and we need to bring to the attention of the institution. Okay?
Curriculum development in line with for making a student all-round personality and a balanced individual.
A graduate, I mean, after the
No,
graduation,
we are talking about monitoring.
yeah, monitoring.
How to
This is also
monitor,
one
how to
aspect.
monitor we have to talk.
Even monitoring of the curriculum also.
Yeah, everything. So how to monitor, do you have any suggestions?
Oh, how to is, of course, you have to bring again experts who understand this.
The State Council for Higher
Create a
Education.
board which is independent of,
Create an
Any
independent
government.
monitoring mechanism. Right.
it should not be appointed by the government.
Ah.
I don't know, maybe not right word. They have to be appointed by government.
It's an independent
They should not,
body.
yeah, independent body, maybe recommended by some independent.
Societies,
organization.
Mechanical Society of
Yeah,
India, Computer
something like
Society of
that.
India.
Right.
From that, we can,
Formed.
So we don't want government.
Professional organization.
independent, creation of independent monitoring body
By professional organization.
comes, body, monitoring body.
Constituted by various professional organizations like Institute of Engineers.
IEEE India, ACM India,
Right.
mechanical.
So I think it should be an independent body consisting of well-known, experienced people within and outside India. I mean, he was a little bit too harsh. He said it
Probably
doesn't work.
passing them.
Okay. No, but he said,
And
emphatically said. So I'm not sure why, but because you never should close the door on
No, not
anything.
at all.
You never know how.
We learn only by opening our
Right.
eyes.
So, even if you have one person with a different background and exposure, and that person can raise questions that make you, the rest of the people think, right? Because ideas can come from anywhere. And in fact, they don't even have to have experience, because even innocently you ask a question that triggers.
So sometimes children will throw you a good solutions and questions.
Yeah.
so one is changing of words. Changing of words. Second is creation of quality PhDs as soon as possible. Third is creation of an independent monitoring body, professional, consisting of experts, people in India and abroad, from the society, for monitoring. Yeah.
Practical training necessary for teachers.
Practical training for teachers.
Yeah, that is a twofold thing, right? I said in my comments, one,
This is a short term goal. Actually, once you fix the first term, both will be solved.
First
This is
thing,
short term.
short term is this.
because
Short.
there is a twofold way to do that, right? One is to create a consultancy project from industry to the institution where faculty member solves the industrial problem in cooperation with the students.
We are going a little bit details now.
Yeah.
So this is okay.
Right.
Short term,
The
practical and research training for teachers.
Right, so I'm saying subset is, there are two ways to do it. One is that, the other way is to bring the industry folks. Okay?
That
You
is
can
good.
actually, even if they're full-time, somehow you can ask them to come 2 hours per week and you give some remuneration for that, and they will bring project or they will teach a course that has to do with design. Right? Okay.
In one semester also they can come. Only thing is, they should not be too fussy. A person at the level of BGM or somebody, he may not be interested
Yeah,
to
we
come
don't
as an
want
assistant
to-
professor.
I mean,
Only thing
it's
is,
not
there should be some sort of, importance for his for his experience also. So that, he
So
may
I
expect-
think, sir, I think we have got all the, good things, the discussion for almost about 2.5 hours. And we are really grateful to Dr. Reddy Garu.
Thank you.
Despite your, you have catch me, some hours we have to board your plane.
Right.
So really thank you, and thank you for all
Mention invitation.
అందరి టెలిఫోన్ నంబర్ తీసుకున్నారా? అందరి టెలిఫోన్ నంబర్స్ తీసుకున్నారా?
Yeah, అందరి మన
Please
దగ్గర
take-
ఉన్నాయి.